Yes, people, we have to let that helping and you know, the team out to try help the people then we affected by the storm, you see me? Yeah man. Today we there with
Michael.
Mr. Michael, how has Hurricane Melissa affected you?
But he lick off my roof, lick off me veranda. He affect me very bad, man.
It's a very bad damage.
Very bad damage, man.
You need help.
Yes, man, me need help, man.
We're in St. Mary. Which part of St. Mary in?
Winthrop Galena.
And we need help up here, people. As you can see, bad damage has done to this gentleman's house.
Yeah.
Zinc fly off, water come in.
Water coming wet up the wall in there, everywhere in there. Water wet up in there.
You hear that, people?
Go on.
Yeah.
Look for help.
Look help. Winthrop Galena, St. Mary. We need help. Yeah. Alright. Anybody like to big up?
Yeah, man. Big up my mother, my sister, them, Alison, Carol, everybody.
Alright, thank you for your time. So, sir, you haven't seen no government here and nobody so far?
No, me not see nobody. Right, from the storm, me not see nobody come on. He say, come look. I mean, me wish to see him, whether the
Councillor, MP, or the government.
Any one of them come on, come look.
And no, you not see nobody?
Me not see nobody all now.
John no star. People, we need help in St. Mary.
Yes, man.
Alright, thank you for your time.
Alright, Papa.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Yes, sir. What you face during Hurricane Melissa?
All the party, man, the tree drop down on the line, man. And bust it, man.
Water coming by you?
Nah. I just a line bust down, man.
Just a line bust down?
Yeah, man.
Were you afraid during the storm?
Eh?
Was you afraid during the storm?
Yeah, man. They don't know everybody must be afraid.
So you need some help then?
Yeah, me need some help. Me need GPS come fix back the light, man.
Alright, you hear that JPS fix back the people them light. People, we need help. We're in St. Mary and we need help. Alright, thank you for your time.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, whole heap of people still a get wet right now. Zinc lift up. Flooding still go on. People still a get wet. We need help in St. Mary. You can show the house. Show the house. Show the house. This is the house right here. Right now the people them need help. Help right now. Urgent. Emergency. St. Mary Galena. Wentworth. Yeah. Alright, thank you. Yeah. You want get you all of them at here, David. Come and say David. See the people, damage, house a leak, zinc lift up, everything that's bad. Yeah, people, we need help. St. Mary Galena, Wentworth. Yes, today we're there with
Nadia Armstrong.
Miss Nadia. What your experience with the hurricane?
Strong winds, heavy rain, and the whole like house up gone. My bed wet up and all of that.
So you haven't seen anybody from the government or MP or council or anybody?
No.
You need help.
Yes.
Here that we're in St. Mary and we need help. Anybody like to big up?
I got my family from all side of the world and country. I got my mother because I him give me strength to keep me. Yeah. And my family who me live with and all of that.
So you hear that? Big up Jamaica. So you say you need zinc and ply. Alright. Lot and everything. Hear that, people? Bed wet up. Everything wet up. We need help. Emergency. Alright, thank you for your time.
Yeah, man. And You won't stop there, you will lie you, almost you will lie you. Pitch off the rod yard.
David, I catch a video them.
Yeah. You know when people are come so me can't make it